Group 3 and we are here to present the non-locomotor exercises. And our topic today is the foundational squat series exercises.
The foundational pure squat series is a type of non-locomotor exercise that targets the lower body and core muscles. It involves bending the knee and lowering the hips while keeping the feet planted on the ground, helping to build strength and stability.
Different types of squat exercise. First, basic squat, bending the knees and lower the hips while keeping the back straight. Second, sumo squat, a wider stance as those pointed upward to target inner strength. Third, full squat, small up and down and movement, a button of squat to increase intensity. 4. Single leg squat, a lower body exercise where you perform a squat on one leg at a time. 5. Jump squat, adding a small jump at the end of each squat increase power and endurance.
Benefits of foundational core squat series exercise. First, strengthen leg and core muscle. Second, improve balance and posture. Third, enhance body stability and flexibility. Fourth, promotes better movement control. And lastly, help prevent injuries by improving muscle coordination.
The foundational core squat series helps to develop strength, endurance, and stability in the body. It also supports proper movement patterns used in daily life such as standing, sitting, of lifting objects. This exercise series plays an important role in improving core control and overall physical fitness. The function of a squat include strengthening the lower body and core, improving mobility and balance, and boosting athletic performance and enhancing strength and power.